everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. I hope you're all okay. We are back with this amazing piece of Celine today. This is a Celine Edge, such a beautiful bag. The leather is just gorgeous, a lovely, lovely texture and a beautiful shade of burgundy as well. Really lovely. And look at our lovely lilies in the background, aren't they? Gorgeous. This has got a top handle, and then on the bottom you've got 4 base studs. And then on the back you've got one flat pocket that has got a little crested fasten which you can just pop in. On the front, I love the structure of this. I think this is a really cool design. On the front you've got a zip front closure there, and you can open that up wider by getting rid of the zip there, but this sort of tucks it in whilst the zip is closed. And then inside you've got this large open space, all leather, 2 flat pockets here, and then you've got one zip pocket just here, which I'll unzip for you. Lovely, lovely, nice, spacious bag. It's just a very cool design. I really like the design of this. I feel like it looks a little bit Hermes as well. I'll come back and show you the sizing. So you can have it as a tote, or you can have it as a shoulder. I'm about 5'4" and a UK size 8 for reference. But all the exact measurements will be on the website. So if you click the link in the description, that link should take you straight to this on our website, and there you can see all the details about it. If it doesn't take you straight to this, and it just takes you to our generic products page, that does mean that it has sold. So don't worry, you can get on our request list. So if you're after this and you don't have any at the moment, get on our request list, get in touch, let us know what you're after. It could be this or anything else you're after, and we will email you when we next get one in. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and also subscribe to our newsletter on the website for 5% off your first purchase, or £50 off any purchase over £1,000. It comes with the Celine dust bag, and then you've got the Celine product tag, a little Celine envelope, and inside here is the Celine care card as well. And condition, this is in a lovely condition, really nice condition. We have said that the exterior condition is in very good condition. It's beautiful, really lovely condition. We've called it very good. As you can see, there is a scratch on the front just there, and there's one just there as well, but mainly it's this scratch here that sort of goes down to the bottom. It really isn't too noticeable at all. And the rest of it is in really beautiful condition. The corners are lovely. But you do have that scratch on the front, so that's why we've called that very good. The interior is also in very good condition. So you can tell that it is a pre-used bag, but there's no marks to show you. It's more sort of the shape. You can just tell that it has perhaps been used before. So that's why we've called that very good. The hardware we have also called very good. You've not got loads of hardware, but the hardware is still lovely, really nice hardware. A little bit of scratching, but hardly any at all. It really does look very good. And then these pieces here, they still look lovely as well. So very good condition throughout. It's a beautiful bag in a really lovely pre-loved condition. Also, I've got to show you, got base studs on the bottom. So they're not really scratched, they just have a little bit of sort of cloudiness to them. So that's why we've called them very good as well. So really lovely pre-loved condition. You can tell that it has had a previous owner, but it's still in such beautiful condition. This is a beautiful purchase, and if it's for you, have a look at it on our website. Links in the description, and we'll see you soon with some more Armcandy.